Malacanang says President Bongbong Marcos frowns on government officials who choose to go on vacation while a typhoon batters the country. The remark comes amid the Department of the Interior and local government's investigation into Cebu mayors who reportedly flew to Europe while Typhoon Tino lashed the province. In a briefing on Tuesday, November 11, Palace Press Officer Claire Castro was asked whether Marcos finds it morally acceptable for officials to go out of the country when there is a typhoon.
Unang-una sa Pangulo, hindi po niya gusto to. Hindi niya po gusto na ang mga liderato ay chill lang. So dapat ang trabaho ay para sa taong bayan. Kasi ang taong bayan umaasa po sa gobyerno, lalo na sa mga ganitong klaseng sitwasyon at kondisyon. So hindi pwedeng sabihin lang na chill lang palagi dahil dapat trabaho, hindi bakasyon. Although hindi ko sinasabi nagbabakasyon sila. Still, sasabi ko lang natin, iwasan natin na umalis ng bansa, tumugon sa kalagayan ng ating mga kababayan, lalo na kapag mayroong sakuna or dilubyong ganito.
However, the palace official emphasizes that the matter is still under probe by the DILG.
Ang Pangulo, ayaw niya po ng mga opisyal na nagbabakasyon lang. Pero kung ito po ay naka-schedule na, yun po ang magiging daan para ito'y paimbestigahan dahil kung sila po ay pinababalik ng agaran, magbigay po sila muna ng kanilang mga explanation at sila naman po ay bibigyan ng pagkakataon ni Secretary John Vic Rimulya kung bakit hindi sila agad nakabalik despite na nag-utos po siya.
Local officials from Cebu faced public criticism after reports that they had traveled to Europe during Typhoon Tino's rampage. In a list released on Monday, November 10, the DILG said at least 8 officials from Cebu traveled to the United Kingdom amid Tino's onslaught. All came from the 5th District, with travel dates ranging from November 1 to November 7. All 8 officials secured authorities to travel from Cebu Governor Pamela Baricuatro in September, but the DILG only granted foreign travel authority to 4 of them. The DILG's data portal indicated that Liloan Mayor Alju Frasco, San Francisco Mayor Alfredo Arquiliano Jr., Catmon Mayor Avis Ginoo Monleon, and Compostela Mayor Felicer Aquino proceeded to the United Kingdom without an approved foreign travel authority from their agency. The typhoon caused deadly flash floods in wide parts of Metro Cebu, particularly in the towns of Liloan and Compostela, both under the 5th District.